you doing? I'm Mike from Harris Water Main Sewer Contractors. Today I am here with our field supervisor, Lyndon. Lyndon, how you doing?
I'm good.
So today, Lyndon, I wanted you to give us a little demonstration on how do you sweat two pieces of copper together. Right. So what is the process and what does it mean to sweat copper?
Well, this is no IPS. There's no thread, so we're just gonna sweat it together. You know, with it. This is lead-free, solder, and flux.
So you're soldering two pieces of copper together.
That's right.
Obviously, you do need a fitting in between them.
Right. So we got the elbow. We're just gonna put like a L shape.
Okay.
So first, you can see the copper. The end is spread. Can go in.
Okay.
So I use my file. I file it down a little bit. Just the edge. Just the edge.
And you do that to get it in?
Yeah, you don't want to waste the copper like cutting it piece by piece. You just got an edge, and you check it.
Okay. Well, he's putting that piece on. So we hear that it really helps us out with our algorithm and our YouTube page. We would greatly appreciate if you can like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
Okay, first, and then we clean it. Have to clean it before it sticks. You only got to clean it.
What kind of sandpaper is that?
This is emery cloth.
So it's really not, is there a type of grit to it that you're supposed to look for?
Yeah.
What is that?
This is, it's like a regular sandpaper.
But it's like very fine, right?
Yeah. Okay, this is the elbow I'm going to put. This needs to be clean too.
Real quick. So like, I don't know what I'm doing here. So how do you know that you've sanded it enough?
Well, you look at the difference of the color, you see?
So when you get it shiny, then you're good to go. So just to recap, you made the edge smooth.
Yep.
So now you already tested that it fits into your 90. And then you sand it so it's nice and smooth.
Right. And now I gotta clean this spot inside. You got a brush.
So
and a brush.
Do you have to do that even if you buy a brand new fitting? Does
yes,
it matter?
you have to.
Okay. Now, if you don't clean it, you're just not going to get a good seal?
No, you're not going to hold. The solder not going to hold.
Now, before you go, what is that?
This is the flux.
Now, why do you use that?
This make helps clean the pipe and make the solder holes sturdy.
So it's like a binding agent?
Right.
Now, do you do it on both? You just do it on the one?
This one.
Okay.
Pour it in. See how easy that went in?
Now, I see you have a bunch of excess flux on there.
And that doesn't matter. You make the solder run right in.
So you don't even have to wipe that away?
No. You do the same thing. You file the edge down. But if water in the pipe, you're going to need to get the water out.
Gotcha.
Because the water with the heat becomes steam. And it blows out the solder.
Gotcha.
Okay, that's in there. See, when you sweat, you need a vent. So the condensation inside go out.
So what would happen if this was closed?
If that was closed and this is closed and you get water inside, then you're not going to hold.
Understood.
You got to get a water out.
Seal.
Yep.
And you can just like, wait for me.
Went in nice, you know.
So you just kind of know that it goes in.
Right.
So, I mean, to me, I don't know what I'm doing. It seems like it's something that I might be able to do.
Of course.
But I think I would still be kind of nervous to try to take something like this on myself without any real training or experience.
Yeah, if you're scared, then just call the plumber.
That's it, right?
That's it.
But if it's something you kind of have experience or somewhat knowledge, something you could possibly do on your own.
Yeah.
Okay, well, Lyndon, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching our video. Again, we have our contact information in the description below, or you can find us on social or on YouTube. And again, please, if you can like, comment, subscribe, greatly appreciated. Thanks again.